This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com/Psychetruth.
Hey guys, Ambree here with Love Body Health and Fitness Coaching. I'm bringing you guys another inner thigh workout. Again, we can't lose that fat in the inner thighs just by spot treating, but what we can do is tone the muscle to get that long, sexy, lean shape. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys today, how to activate these inner thigh muscles right here. You're gonna need a pillow for this workout, so take some time, pause the video if you need to grab one, and then meet me back on your mat or carpet. Start with a wide stance on your mat, feet facing forward. We're gonna put our weight on our left leg and bring that right one behind, crossing it over behind the left. When you squat down, press through that heel and lift that left leg up behind you. We're gonna take it over, wide squat to the other side, pressing through our right heel, lifting that left leg behind you, bring it out and across, wide. And we're gonna repeat this right here. Big wide sumo squat, curtsy lunge, pulse. Sumo squat, curtsy lunge, pulse. I'm already starting to feel those inner thighs waking up. That's what we want to do with them right here. And just breathe through it. If you can't quite pulse, that's okay. Just do a curtsy lunge at this time. You can always repeat the workout and see how your stability increases over time. Right, keep it up. I want you to be mindful of that knee position. Make sure it's not going in front of the toes. We want it right behind, activating those glutes at the same time, because why not give ourselves a little booty workout while we're at it? And breathe through it. A few more times, back and forth here. Breathe. Wide squat, sit those hips back far. I just rest my hands out here in front of me. You can put them on your hips if you'd like. It's up to you. Whatever feels comfortable for you. One more time, back and forth. Pulse. Bring it back wide, behind, pulse. Come to center. Let's walk those feet out right here. Take a few deep breaths. I don't know about you guys, but my heart rate is picking up right now. We're gonna keep it up, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna do a side lunge, bring that right leg out to the side, press through that heel, and we're gonna sweep that right leg up and away. Again, activating that muscle, coming back down into a side lunge. I just let my arms swing with this to keep my balance. Feel a nice stretch in that inner thigh. And breathe through it, guys. I often forget to breathe through my workout, so reminding you in case you're like me. We don't need to feel lightheaded right here. Sometimes I lose my balance too. That's okay, we're all human. Let's pick it up and breathe. Feel that inner thigh stretching out right there. A few more. Let's see how deep you can go. Stretch it out, bring it up and across. Bring it back down. I want to pulse right here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's take it over. Put that weight on the left heel. I want you to feel this area extending right here. Cross it up over. Sit it back down. Again, we're just repeating this. Breathe through it. And pressing down through that heel, and making sure that knee isn't going in front of your toes. If you lose your balance like I am, just reset yourself. Take a moment. Do any of y'all have pets at home that like to interrupt you during your workouts and join on in? If I were to be doing this at my house, bulldogs would be all over me right now. Let's do 5 more. Sink deep into that side lunge. 2 more. Last one. Let's hold it down and pulse again for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up. Take a deep breath. Walk those feet out. Now we're gonna be grabbing our pillow for this next movement. So if you have a pillow too large, you might wanna go back and get a smaller one. We're gonna be putting this in between our legs like so. And I want you to be squeezing those legs together while you're doing the squat. Feet facing forward. If you can't sink down really deep, that's okay. We all have our different hip flexibility. Come up and squeeze. Sit those hips back. I want you to be squeezing those legs together. Squeezing your thighs into the pillow and squeezing while you come up. These are amazing for activating those muscles. We're just gonna be repeating this little squat. If this is the range of motion you have, that's okay too. Just make sure you're focusing on that inner squeeze. And breathe through it. If you need to, you can hold onto a counter, you can hold onto a chair. If you feel like you're having a hard time with stability and squatting down, you just do a little baby squat. Five more. Really squeeze those thighs together. 4, 3, 2. You'll also be feeling this in the glutes. Last one. Great. We're gonna be bringing it down to the ground. We're gonna take that pillow, put it in between the thighs again, activating those adductors. Let's come down onto the mat or carpet, wherever you are, just like we were doing before, squeezing those thighs together. Make sure you're in a good position. Toes are facing forward on here. We're gonna lift those glutes up into our bridge, tucking our pelvis, squeezing those thighs together and bringing them back down. Up and squeeze and bringing it down. This is already difficult for me. This is an amazing beginner workout, so make sure to share this with your friends who are just starting an at-home workout, or even those who just want to work out at home and need a video without any equipment. I've been working out for a long time, and I feel the burn with this one too. But this is definitely safe for beginners. Make sure to breathe through it. Lift up as high as you can and come back down. Don't sell yourself short. Really put your all into this movement and squeeze the thighs together. Keep them squeezing as you bring your glutes down and don't let go. Keep it up. Deep breaths. We got this. And 4, squeeze. 3, 2, really squeeze those thighs together. Last one, pick it up, hold, squeeze and pulse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down, we can put that pillow to the side, and I want you to move on to your left side during this next movement. Right, I'm laying down on my left side now. Both feet are straight, stacked on top of each other. You can put your head on the ground, hold it up with your elbow, whatever feels good for you. We're gonna be starting with the right leg behind the left. It's gonna go up and over. Then I'm gonna take my left one and bring it up, and then move that right one backwards and then over like a rainbow movement, and pick that left one up. And we're just gonna keep this up right here. Little rainbow over, bring it back, up and pulse with that left. Rainbow, and up. Nice little fun sequence. And just breathe through it. and lift. Bring it back. Feeling the burn? This is our last movement. Let's fight through it. I know I look super relaxed just laying here on my side, but my inner thighs are telling me something different. 5, lift, 4, lift, 3, lift, 2 more, lift. Okay, last one, guys. We're gonna lift and pulse here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's move over onto our right side now. Laying onto our left side, same thing, just get yourself comfortable. Take that left leg, bring it over to the front, behind, and lift. Cross over and lift. Our last side, our last movement. I'm so proud of you for getting this inner thigh workout in today. I would typically follow up one of these workouts with an ab workout. I have some great lower ab workouts on Psychetruth, so if you still have the energy in you after this, head on over and try out one of those 10-minute ab workouts. You're pretty much getting a full body workout in less than 25 minutes, and you're gonna feel amazing afterwards. I know abs are one of those trouble spots too, so let's hit them both in the same day. 2 more. Last one. You know what we're gonna do? Lift and pulse that right thigh right there. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. We're gonna bring it up and give those thighs a nice little stretch. Gonna put my legs together. And I'm just gonna press down those thighs with my elbows right here. And breathe. Hold these for 3 breaths. Let's take the right leg out and bring that out wide and then reach. And just breathe here through it. Feel a nice pull along that adductor right there. One more breath. Bring to center. Now left leg. I have a lot more flexibility in my right than I do my left, if you can tell. That's okay. I'm gonna try to bring this out as wide as I can. Shouldn't be painful, should just be slightly uncomfortable. Just reach towards that leg. One more deep breath. Let's bring it to center, legs out, and I just want you to walk those fingers out in front of you, giving yourself a nice stretch along those inner thighs. You can drop those shoulders down, drop the head, and just relax right here. Last breath. Thank you guys for joining me in today's inner thigh adductor workout. Make sure to follow this up with an ab workout when you're done. If you have that momentum, keep it up. Why not do another one? Make sure to head over to lovebodycoaching.com if you want to get to know more about me or sign up for my one-on-one health coaching services. I would love to have any suggestions that you might have on a future video, so leave them below. Trouble spot? I want to hear about it, so drop the comment below. I'll read them and respond to them, okay? Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my very next video. Maybe it'll be over a tip you shared below. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you haven't already, follow us on social media for tips, tutorials, giveaways, and daily inspiration. This video is brought to you by our loyal patrons who help to keep our cameras rolling. To show our appreciation, we produce tons of exclusive content just for our patrons.
Wellness Plus is available on Amazon, which you can stream from your home on your phone, tablet, or TV. Join Wellness Plus today and get your first 7 days free.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psychetruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts. Start your 14-day free trial today by clicking the link below.